Okay. Um, in this stream, I'm going to test some hardware. Should be here soon. It's about 5 stops away. And then I'm going to try and load up the VRChat SDK and try and make myself a custom weld. And then yeah, on the weekend I'll probably be building the entire face tracking system, assuming it works today with the USBs I'm going to test. Excuse me. Cool. Okay. Given this could be here anytime, I'm gonna start up Portal 2, as that is where I'm gonna rip the, what's the file format called? Is it BSP? It's been a little while since I've done anything with Hammer, so should be interesting. To make sure I've not broken Portal 2 since I last launched it. Shit. Okay, I'll add a capture window for game capture. Where was? Here we go. Not what I want. We're not gaming on this. We're just hunting for a home, so it doesn't really matter how good this looks. Okay, I think that should be good. Let me open up the item tracking on another window just to keep an eye on that. Okay. No. Okay. Let's think where the best crib's going to be at. There's some pretty cribbable areas when Wheatley takes over. There are some pretty good places in the underground, but I don't think that's really the vibe I'm going for. There was a pretty cool looking map on one of the VR things Valve did, the lab, because that has an area that's like partially underground, partially above. Yeah. I am not too sure. No, that's weird. I'm pretty sure I don't want anything in the first few chapters. It's too crusty for a home. What do you think? Alright, I'm going to try here. Seems like the logical location. It'd be cool if I could get some Franken turrets made in the VRChat. I do want to test some custom scripts, so... let's have a look.
For God's sake, your boxes with legs. It's literally your only purpose. Walking onto bugs. How can you not do the one thing you're designed for?
See, this area is pretty small, which I like. If we could get this all connected and easy to navigate in VR, I think that'd be pretty good. Maybe some sofas or something. Get some chairs, some interactable objects. We might be able to link this door to downstairs. Can maybe set up a little walkway here. So that door would have been over here somewhere. Does it actually exist? It doesn't look like that door would actually go anywhere, so not too sure on that. But this is good. There's quite a bit of area here. Again, could put some props and things, maybe remove some of these railings and put more floor in. I'm not sure about this lift. Don't know how well lifts work in VRChat. If I'm correct though, door would be either here or coming over here, so we can connect that with some light modification. We can add some boxes so we can get back up. Yeah, no, I think that, I mean, this is only the first one we've been on, so maybe not going straight for it. I think the level feeds back as well on this. Does it? No, it doesn't feed back on this one. That's the next part. But we could maybe put something behind some of these doors. How are we doing for spacing here? Yeah, this is pretty chill. Especially if we get this removed. Bumping it up. Maybe a little balcony thing up there. Got this. Oh, that's the door we came in. We'll have that just open.
Ah, yes, I knew something. Oh, hello? True. I'll go true. Yeah, that was easy. I'll be honest, I might have heard that one before then. Sorry, Katie. False. I'll go false.
Explosion imminent.
Hold on. I thought I fixed that.
Warning. Reactor core is at critical count.
Would be good to put like YouTube thing on. I don't know how to do that, but I've seen a few worlds have
I'm a
it.
little bit short on test subjects right there, so this works out perfect. And off we go.
Alright, let's see how we're doing over here on
You
this side.
have no idea what it's like in this one. I have to test all the time.
These steps
Or I
are
get
pretty
this
good.
itch, you know, it must be hardwired into the system or something. Oh, but I'll tell you, when I do test, oh man alive, nothing feels better. It's just, that's what I'm gonna test.
I don't know if multiple screens can be put in,
So
but there
you're gonna
could be.
test, and I'm gonna watch.
Put like
Everything
a plank across here, some chairs.
Warning. Core overheating. Nuclear meltdown imminent.
Ah, another lift, not good. Okay, this is the level that repeats itself.
Designed this test myself. It's a little bit difficult. You'll notice the moat area there. Very deadly, extremely dangerous. Eventually, it's not in mode, but I'm working on it. Still working on it.
Oh, there's a railing up there. I wonder how we can upgrade that. We'd have to check when we export the map.
As it is to imagine, there actually is a solution. Devilishly hidden. I'll give you a hint. Button. That's all I'm going to say. One word. Button. Go on.
We need some stairs for this pit. Then they'll go in the pit, but
Go on. Oh, yes. Oh, well done. Oh, that's tremendous.
more screens again. Again, I don't know what we can do with that. I might remove them.
Oh, really good.
The lighting on here might be a bit too tricky for Unity to pull off, at least for a VRC map.
This test. It's like what?
Okay, yeah, it is the loop boss.
Once you solve it. Yeah.
Oh, that's way shorter than I thought. Well, we can keep it open.
Here we go. Do it again.
That saves making a silly bridge across.
And nothing. Alright, can't blame you for trying. Okay, new tests. New tests. Gotta get some tests in here somewhere. Oh, here we go.
I think the lift areas would be quite nice. Ah, I don't know how well these are going to translate into a Unity environment, or any of these animated parts. We might need to consider Portal 1 then. I'm sure there's some pretty good maps there.
It's alright. Everything's good. I just invented some more tests. Not entirely. Not entirely. Look at the word test there on the wall. That's brand new.
This one looks nice, but I don't see it being a reliable social space.
Why don't you two go on ahead, yeah? I'll catch up with you.
Okay, so the bad news is the tests are eye tests now, so they can kill us. The good news is, well, not so far, to be honest. I'll get back to you on that.
Okay, I might skip ahead and download the needed programs. I'm going to have to download Blender, as much as I hate to do that. I do not like using Blender. I'm not very good at it.
Yeah, made this test myself out of smaller tests that I found lying around. Jammed them all together. Buttons, got funnels.
Yeah, this wouldn't be suitable for an environment either. Trying to remember how to do this one. Okay. I see. These.
Right, okay, this is taking too long, okay? I'll just tell you how to solve the test, okay? See that button over there?
That's why I can't help you solve the tests.
Never mind. Never mind, solve it yourself. You're on your own.
There might be some good Left 4 Dead maps.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, minus all the corpses.
Well done.
Thanks. All we had to do was pull that lever.
What? What's that? Press the
I know we're in a lot of trouble and probably about to die, but that was worth it.
Okay, the delivery's up now, so I should get an email to go collect it in a bit.
I got us some good news. He's going to run out of test chambers eventually. I never stockpiled them.
I'm coming. Don't start yet. You are not going to believe this. I found a sealed off wing. Hundreds of perfectly good test chambers just sitting there. Filled with skeletons. Shook them out. Good as new.
Skeletons. Right, I guess I intend to stockpile some tests. Just as mementos, though.
And there we go. To be honest, you can't even tell, can you? Seamless.
This one would be pretty cool. It's pretty open. We need to do something about this giant hole. But it's pretty simple. It's just a giant box. Yeah, okay. Let's quit out of this. And we'll try and get a map into Unity somehow. So let's download Blender. And we're gonna need BSP source. Yep. What probably going to need hammer. I think hammer comes with just this stuff anyway. Hammer plus plus. I think Gmod. Let me browse local files. Oh, it's showing all my files off. Bin. There's BSP zip. Ah, here we go. Hammer. Okay. We'll install that in a second. Let's check the hammer real quick. Open. Cool. Alright. So 4, 2. Browse local files. Portal 2. Maps. Now I have no idea what the map file is for this, so portal 2 maps. We'll check the wiki. Chapter 7. No. Chapter 8. SPA4. Can we confirm this? Nope. But what we can do is just load it. SPA4 intro. There we go. Shit. I'll share my screen just a tad. Just. Oh, that's not good. Oh, right, we need to turn into a VMF first. Right. How do we use this tool? I think, if I remember correctly, because I used to do this way back in the day, we can just put the file in and it will just work when we run the bat. Could be totally wrong, but let's find out. Double check these folders. Doesn't look like it. Config, lib. Alright. A4 intro. Yep, run anyway. Oh, it has a nice UI now. Okay. World. Add. There we go. Open. So. Yeah. Decompile. I guess I should be sharing my screen for this one. This way. Whoa, that's the wrong one. I can't remember which one it was. Oh, it's this one, I guess. See how this looks. Good enough. Doesn't need to be the full thing anyway. Excuse me. Okay, so here we go. Good lordy. No. Certainly has the same shape. I'm seeing a lot of errors though, which I'm not too fond of, which means I probably can't do this, as I do not know the correct way to do it. Did I export with assets? Yeah, it's probably looking for model files and things, which I simply don't have access to. Can export to a DXF. Then DXF. I have a feeling this would be too big for normal converters to do, so we'll probably have to go the route of Blender. And it's trying. God, this brings me back. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. I'll try one more thing. If that doesn't work, I'll put it off, at least for a while. I'll still open up Unity and we'll play around with the VRChat SDK. But it's not looking too positive. It's not giving me much hope at all. Mainly just the fact that these are errors. And these are like the pipes and the screen. Like the texture for it's there, for like the actual way Wheatley shows up, but then the actual model around it's missing. The level geometry is fine. So this is just a mess. Yeah, here's where we come in. Oh, duh. Let's finish doing the thing with Blender, because we have a plugin for that. That should let us do some things. I still don't know about the whole model thing, but I think, where is it? Plumber add-on, here we go. Plumber add-on, point source one, engine maps, model materials and textures. This add-on makes it possible to import full CSGO, TFGO. Yeah, all sorts. I have no idea how to add this. File, import. Make sure you're using Blender 2.0 or no, install the latest release. Oh, it has a release page. Duh. Here we go. probably the one that's called Windows. Oh, okay, we just drag and drop the zip and it works. Time to use the absolute wonk-ass Blender camera controls known to man. Where's Blender gone? I just installed that. Okay. You're gonna. Okay, yeah. That's the cube. Yeah, the iconic cube. Yep. Add on. Not gotten that email yet. Did I miss a message or something? I looked down for a second. File. Oh, there it is. Ah, this does not have the BSP. Oh, hold on. Ooh, fancy that. Well, no, because it's not got the map files. Maps. Yeah, no. Browse game, bin. Oh, okay. Was it not even in the right directory? Oh, hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, it's extracting it. I should have paid more attention. I'm a fucking idiot. Alright, hold on. I'll just be a naughty person and just I'll kill it in its crib. There we go. Okay, let's try it again without the stupidity this time. Where's the add-on? Do I need to add it each time? Seems a bit dumb. Oh fuck, what did I do? I broke it. Add. No, there we go. Portal 2. There's nothing of use here. Scenes? Okay. Well, let's see what this does. It should be here. Here. Oh, okay. It crashed. Is that because Hammer has it open? Whoa. Infinite window. Let's try this again. File, import. Right, gotta add this each time. Can we have this save it? I guess not. Import Oh, okay. There's basic geometry, but it's not very good. God, I hate the camera controls in this. Okay, maybe let's have a little deeper look into this. There's clearly a way to do this because it does has this. So browse game files. It doesn't. That doesn't do very much to help. So I don't know what the point of this is. But I did see there were other plugins that do the same thing. Maybe BSP and Blender? Oh, here we are. Oh, this is a different BSP format though. This is talking about, I don't know what engine this is. I'm assuming it's based on Quake because Quake is one of the games listed. So id tech free, yeah. Did this export? World entities textures. Other shrink embedded files. The feds. I'm no fed. No portal listed. Shit. Ah. But that helps us. Textures. No, nothing here. Literally all of the entities are ticked. Brushes. Let's try this again. Amen, amen. I'm currently trying to rip map files from Valve games for a VRChat, for a VRChat world. So the feds would be very unhappy with me. Let's put it that way. Let's try this again. This is a map from Portal 2, but it's currently very not textured, which is not what I want. Not at all. I mean, the fact that there is even a mesh here is pretty impressive. You know what? Fuck it. Well, I'll just use this for testing's sake. So, sure Unity would like this, so we'll make just a little folder. VR stuffs. Oh, my spine. Where's this fucking email? I need to go collect these parcels, but they haven't checked them in. Lazy fuckers. Okay, now I need to remember how to use VRChat's SDK. SDK chat world. Not yet, don't worry. But I am building face tracking, and I do have full body tracking as well. Ugh. I plan on trying to import some of my own scripts for some rather naughty behaviours. I want to make some guns and things to crash questies. But that is all in the future. We need to get a basic standing first. Oh, I hate VRChat stuff. Why can't we just have all of our own code? You have to use something called Udon, which is like their safe scripter. But if you can program in it, you can make malicious code. Yes, sign away my soul. I want to try and make some weird avatars as well. I want to 3D scan some objects and people. I've also been working on cloning voices. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I did try doing one of my old avatars. Now, I suppose I can just do this. Oh, there's two. Why would there be two? Test. Oh yeah, that's okay. Oh, I tried doing some Connect stuff. I wanted to try and do like a point cloud avatar, so it'd literally be it'd be Connect data being loaded directly into VRChat. Is that the email in question? No, it's not. God damn it, I want to test the hardware. Okay. Yeah. Now that I just install a bunch of shit on my computer. Ignore the cookie clicker. I've been having that running more or less constantly. Yep, that's the email I've already seen. I should probably turn notifications off, shouldn't I? Can't be bothered to figure that out, but we have this stuff. Easy quest switch. We do not care about questies. We'll probably want this. Yes, that's installed. Let's do it. I was also thinking about making like a Binding of Isaac map that's procedural, like generates rooms and having little NPCs in it, because I think that'd be pretty cool to do in multiplayer. Maybe like a little Minecraft ripoff. What else? The dungeon crawling one's the most attractive idea so far. I wonder if Tyler still has his VR. Oh, these tags aren't very appropriate. I should change these. I mean, it's a garbage quest, but, you know, as long as it can boot Steam VR. We are not working on robots, so I'll get rid of that. We're doing VR stuff today. Let's add that tag. VRChat. Is that a tag? It certainly is. Oh, this is so slow. This shit needs to hurry up. Yeah, I got the Pico headset over in Japan, and I recently acquired some foot trackers. So I have full body again. I would say it's definitely one of the better full body tracking systems, and I've had quite a few full body tracking systems. Connect, Tundra, old Vive ones, Slime VR, and now the Pico trackers. So that's 5 different full body tracking solutions I've now tested. Yeah, I got the haptic vest, that's true. I still have that treadmill in storage, but I haven't really been able to use it since being at university. So, a bit annoying there. Not much you can do for that though, so. I'm gonna have the new face tracking. I have the Leap motion module, I have that AR headset. I have way too many headsets knocking about. It's a shame I'm going to have to basically get rid of all of them when I move over to Japan. Probably going to end up buying a bunch over there anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Still. Oh, it's finally decided to fucking load. Where is it? Alright, it's compiling scripts. Which it shouldn't need to do because there isn't any scripts. One fell off a truck. Do say more. Oh my god, all this Unity shit's in the way. Oh my god, and I'm tired. Move this, move this. Okay, so this is what the default VRChat world looks like. That's cool, I guess. Let's grab the mesh we made. Good lord. So, alright, first of all, that's just a room. Stairs are missing, so that's immediately impossible to get to now. This door is just a solid block. Can I? No, this is one single mesh, so I can't even edit it here. Oh, the triggers have been turned into meshes as well. That's my guess. Wait a minute. Oh, hold on. I think. Alright, this is the start. So. Yeah, much smaller room. Oh, right. Well, they're all kind of garbage, so I've got a Windows Mixed Reality knocking about. The index is busted. I might have a Vive. Maybe? If I had a VFX1, unfortunately that's not going into anyone else's hands because that's a collector's piece. Yeah, this map's fucked. This is not going to work. Oh, that really sucks. I really wanted to have this map. I'm not skilled enough with hammer. Maybe Greg can do that. You should keep an eye out on eBay for Pico 4s. Shockingly, about the same spec as an index, but for less than £200. And no need for base stations. And wireless. Is owned by the Chinese though, which that's unfortunate. But you could hack it, run it offline, do whatever. Did they even deliver my items? Let me check this shit. Amazon. Delivered today. Parcels left in room signed by... Okay, but... whatever. Oh, this is a junk folder. Okay. Whatever. So... supposedly, this has a runtime tester, which it didn't used to have, but if it does... Ah! That's nifty. Okay. Good for them. And they made a good development tool for once. Okay. Okay. Can I fall off the world? Yeet. Yep, there's respawn. That's good. That's one less thing I have to deal with. Maps though, what are we going to do for maps? It seems riffing from Portal is going to be way too hard. How to rip source from maps into Unity. The issue is there's a lot of tools here that will turn it into a VMF, which is fine, but the VMF lacks texture data or any sort of assets. Oh, here we go. Watch a little YouTube video. 40 minutes? Yeah, we have this. Java, yeah, whatever. Right, you select the map. Sure. Decompile it, yes. An error for not running it properly, okay. Is that the email I'm waiting for? No, it is not. Oh, this plugin looks a bit fucked to work with. Okay, but he actually has shit on his. So how's he done that? Yeah, alright, you have a good one, yeah? I'll probably be working on this shit until either I give up or it actually decides to work. Alright, let's try this one out. So IO import. Oh shit. Yeah. Wait a minute. Did they just download? Oh, it is Plumber. They renamed it. Okay. Wait, or am I being stupid? Yeah. Okay. We did this already. Maybe I'm just being a bit zealous here. Let's 6.9. Okay, we're way ahead version-wise. Blender source tools. Blender source tools. I think this is what we need. Yeah, send me to the sketchy part. Oh, okay. Blender source tools. Installation. Here we go. That looks like it. Render. Yes. Okay. What's he doing now? Oh, that's memes. That's not what we need. So he goes on, edit, and then preferences. Edit, preferences, add-ons. Yeah? What do you want me to do here? It's just to verify it's installed. Oh, right, this is just the old way of installing it. unless I'm overlooking something. Yeah. Input valve map format. Even if that's correct. Oh no, there's a search. Oh, okay, here we go. But there's still not much here, so. I'm going to assume this is all we can really do. Oh, hold on. This is for the preferences, cache directory path. Okay, that might be why all of the assets are missing. Oh, okay, well look at this, it's already found it. Okay, well that's definitely the path for portable. Okay, well, no textures, but that guy has assets, so. Hang on, where the what? Where did it go? Oh, right. It was in this one. No, it doesn't look like it's found the assets as well. Maybe I'm doing something profoundly stupid. Oh, maybe back here I missed a step. I did mine through hammer. Maybe he did his some other way. Wait, what? Okay, wait a second. Boop, 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 decompiler, portal, free, save. Yeah, saves that. Maybe that's messing with that. Let's do that real quick. He copies into a second directory. Portal. Oh, hold on. There's stuff here. But I'm just going to delete all of this for now. I'm going to re-open this. Please be the email. No, it's not. Portal 2. Maps. SPA4 intro, I think it was. Okay. Close. Other debug mode. Move. Add. Oh, I already had one saved here. Decompile. Portal. So. Okay. We have a materials and models folder. File, import, plumber. Hold on a second. What's this? There's files in that folder. Why? Yeah, look, there's no models. I'm going to mute my mic for a second.
So now, click the at symbol.
I'm going to mute
It
my
means
mic for
that
a
you
second.
can go into this mode where you can have a freeform cam. So right now, you can see it doesn't have any textures. So you're ready to go. Let's see, click textures. To fix this, obviously if you're a Blender Pro, you'll know this, but you click material preview up here. And it will go white, but you'll see it will load your preview up there, and it will go right.
Let's see if that did anything. It doesn't solve the model problem though. Also, Unity's been running this whole time. That's not very effective. Everything goes Y, like I said. And then textures pop in. I'm seeing a distinct lack of textures. Huh. Mhm. Worth a check. Oh, hold on a second. There is Portal here. Portal 2. Automatic. Let's try this again. Shit, still no models being loaded. Okay, I must be doing something horribly wrong. Open it up, sure. The BSP, yes. And he just, yeah, he doesn't even touch the settings. Okay, 1.4.2, let's download that. VSP source. Here we are. Okay. Let's give that a spin. P142. No. Yeah. BSP. Which one was that? This one? Yeah, that's BSP 4.2. Then we'll add decompile. Save. Okie dokie, okie dokie. New, save, delete this, import, planner, EMF, desktop. Nope, still nothing. See if the texture's loaded. Doesn't. Oh, that's nasty looking. Doesn't look like it. Flip through this video again. Access is very much granted, that's not the issue. Huh. Fascinating. Must be some of the add-ins then. Yeah, there should be way more wireframes knocking about here. Blender source tools. Just for our check again. Import, I feel like I'm missing something pretty vital here. Ooh! Ooh. Me happy. Well, oh, okay. Some things are loaded, and then some things are not. But this is definitely a step in the right direction. Can we move the camera around? How do we do this? I wish it just had like a, Unity's editor camera basically. This is still not everything, but this is good. I think this would be acceptable for the map. Let's see if textures have loaded. It looks like it's got some of them. Oh, it's gonna crash. It's thinking about it. Just let it do its thing. There we go. Okay, so now I guess we just need to get this into Unity. Which file format keeps it all as separate bits? I want to say it's the FBX. Excuse me. Okay. Alright, yeah, let's just do this thing. I'll be right back in a second. Whew. Okay. I've returned with my parcel. They didn't send a notification email, so I figured I'd go and check because it's been about an hour. We got some black filament, USB hub, and USB adapter. The rest of this is just rice, so I'll put it away somewhere. So, I want to test if all the devices will work at the same time, but it just occurred to me, I don't think I actually own that many Type-C cables. So we'll do that in just a second. I want to finish up this. Let's just get this map in Unity. Because this is looking much better than before. Where is the folder? Oh yes, okay. Unity. Does Unity not recognize it? FBX? Oh right, it's just not attached. We're gonna need a texture file, aren't we? PDF. Okay, I might have to figure out some other time because I don't understand none of this. Whilst that loads, I will grab every USB cable I own. One. Two. Huh. Well, that's going to be a bit of a gamble because I can only find two. Well, we have three. We have this extra one I got, but we need four ideally. Which one? Ooh, okay. And this one's separated into bits. That's exactly what I wanted. Now, where on earth is the textures? If I press play, will this just... I'm gonna guess it's gonna fall through the weld. But will it spawn me? Okay. So we just need a mesh collider. Not that simple, because this is a multiple part mesh. But because we have the OBJ mesh, which is a single mesh, alright, we have this cube in the middle because I didn't delete it from the other thing, but that's something we can do, which is perfect. I might need to move this just a tad though. I am sharing my screen, I presume. Yes, yes. Oh. Unity. Ah. Too big. Also, running like right hog shit. So I doubt this would ever be permitted to get onto the VRCs. Let's figure out the scaling factor we're going to need. So I think it literally just needs to be twice the size. Yep. Cool. I'll probably not use the mesh collider. Mainly just because I think that's actually causing a lot of the problems. Actually, no, we'll just have to remember the Franken turrets are here. Because I do want to use these later. Can we just add like a box collider to this? Okay, nice. How's this for performance? Not, yeah, not great. Yeah, I think we just need to trim the fat. Now, I would like to get the texture of this. Oh dear God, do we need to texture everything individually? Oh, fuck me. Okay, and export textures. Okay, so what? File, export, FPS. Oh, okay, here we go. On this side. being dumb? What? Path mode. Change path mode to copy. Oh, path mode. Now what? This is the AI thing, so this could be complete bullshit. Trust Reddit instead. And then we can trust YouTube. Copy, yes. Oh, it's literally. It's right there. Okay. Portal. No idea if this will work with Unity though. Let's start cleaning up my files and everything because I've got a right mess going on here. Okay. Company needs up whilst that does its thing. That feels cheap and shitty. Cool. Nice, I just sliced my finger open. USB hub looks good. We'll need to break it open though, so won't matter very much. Could have sworn I had an extra USB Type-C knocking about somewhere. Also, we don't have the short one I was thinking of, which is problematic. So, well, I just found one, but it's still a short one because the other one I thought arrived did not. Oh. Okay, so apparently this has embedded textures. I'm not going to worry too much about testing these with the various ESPs. I'm probably just going to test the hub with one USB plugged in and see how that does. Make sure the various adapters work. We'll test that once this is done. understand this is taking a while. Almost on 2 hours. Well, what's the day today? It's Wednesday. Okay, so I have lectures tomorrow and Friday, but then Saturday the final parts show up, so oh, this doesn't look like it has texture. Alright, well, let's see what it does. Oh, good lord, it's freaking out. Distinct lack of textures. Yeah, they're definitely there. So, what am I doing wrong? Oh, okay. We're really going to have to texture everything individually, aren't we? Well, hold on a second. If it has the UVs and all that, it should be fine. File, external data. Okay. Oh, that's cool. That's literally all the files I need. I did read that correct, right? Unpack all files. What? Am I being dumb? So, where Cool. That's just somewhere, I guess. Okay. Cool. Thanks. I actually hate this so much. Export. No. I guess there might be. No, there isn't. I deleted it. There was a thing that had all the textures in it, but they're in a format for valves thing. I'm curious. I want to see how well these UVs apply. Materials. Test. Okay. I don't know about the walls. No, it looks like, yeah, the UVs are fine. Okay. So we just need to figure out what textures do, which textures go where. It's going to be a mess. That sounds like a problem for a future stream. So save that and close all this down and test the USB stuff. Quickly checking the cookie clicker. Cool. Alright, let's test this Pico stuff. I suppose one way we can test is by plugging USB devices into each of the USB ports. It's not a reliable way of testing it, but it'll do something. Alright, let's make sure this all got power. It does. Good. Other controller. I'm not going to do any crazy VR stuff, but I do need to be able to see if the Pico Connect software is connected. Oh. Making the right fucking mess. Okay. So this will go into this. And all of this is headset side, so this will be glued to the headset eventually. Oh, it's too heavy. Okay, there. Just move this cable over me. Cool, it's got power. Then this cable will be a really short one and it will go straight into the headset. Ah, that's not good. Maybe the cable's bad. It does have wire tape on it. Okay. But that's 2.0. That's not good. Let's make sure that's not the USB cable. Fuck. Ah shit, the USB cable's fine. It's this hub. This hub's advertised as a 3.0 hub. At least I think it is. Yep. 3.0. Yeah, it's 2.0, that's not... Let's see if it connects. Launching Steam VR. No, I mean... I've got controllers. It's tracking. Get out of here, cookie clicker. So, next step would be to see what happens if we occupy the other USB ports. Okay, this USB is dead. What USB devices do I have knocking about? I guess we're just gonna have to wing it. I mean, it doesn't matter now, all the parts are ordered, but yeah. I'm a little peeved that it's not reporting. Oh. What's wrong with Steam VR? Oh, Pico connected, disconnected. So there's some jank regarding the hub. Because it's refusing to connect. Alright, it's connected again. I don't know why it did that in the first place. Oh, fuck off, cookie clicker. Go over here. Okay. It looks like we have stuff, so I'll let that run for a moment. Might have just been because I was manhandling the hub. I'm still not very happy by the 2.0. Both of these items say they're 3.0 devices. Well, this little adapter piece doesn't. So, well, it does on the page, but you know what that fucking means. It means absolutely nothing. So let's just try plugging directly into that. Oh, okay. It's the shitty little adapter. don't buy that then. USB 3.1, 10. Well, it says 10 gigabyte, which makes no sense. Like gigabit, I guess. This is bad. I'll have to 3D print it so it's removable, and then if it causes problems down the road, we know what parts to replace. Alright, let me clean this shit up and we'll call it a day. Oh my god, I'm knackered. So, basically for whenever the next stream is, I've ordered a new gasket, and that's where all the hardware is going to be attached to. There won't be anything going on the actual headset itself. I won't be attaching anything to the lenses, which might be a good, might be a bad idea. We'll find out. But hopefully by the end, we have somewhat reliable face tracking. But yeah, just have to wait and see on that because no idea when I'm going to be able to test it all together. I might, I don't know, I'm trying to think of a good way to test the ESPs. I might go hunting for some Type-C cables locally, but I doubt I'm going to be able to find many. Not at the university, they're all still set in the Stone Age. What? Oh my god, sorry. Might just have to go and solder them all up as is. I've ordered quite a bit of wire. It's 3 connections, 3 ESP camera modules, 2 that are infrared, but that doesn't really change the data or anything. But 2 of them are running the iTrack VR firmware, and then the other one will be Babel, but I'm pretty sure the Babel one is just well, all 3 of them should just be basically cameras, identified as web cameras. But yeah, hopefully they're not too heavy on the USB hub, because we are still sending all the VR data over there as well. We'll just have to see what happens. I'm really hoping that garbage adapter isn't going to cause problems, because it's not really a crazy common part, and it's what I did see varied in price quite a bit. So I mean, how hard is it to adapt basically just one USB to another, right? Well, it's 4 wires. I suppose Type-C is more than that, but just wrapping my headset back up. You shouldn't ever wrap cables around anything, but it tidies up nicely. Okay. Hopefully this weekend we'll build something.